He's in the prison! All right. Hit the player, the player, the player. Good shot. That's game.
You can't beat me, Dad.
I wasn't trying to beat you, I was trying to stop you.
Where's the flag? Is it still on the left side? The right side?
I think it's on the left side because I haven't seen any movement on the right. There's a few guys. Is that guy still there?
I don't know.
Doesn't look like he
I don't
is.
know how they got into the house.
They can stick around.
Yeah. Wait, how many lives did we get?
Unlimited.
Oh, okay.
Hey,
So I was kind of like, oh, maybe.
hey, go for this short spool. I'll go for the tall one. Go. All right, go. I got you. Oh, hit! Good shot, good shot. Huh. In the middle? Oh, there's one in the trailer, one in the trailer. Woo. Is it right in front of you? Trailer. Oh, hit. I'm not gonna do it. Good job, guys. Good job, guys. GG. GG, guys. GG. I'm gonna run in there.
Oh, yeah. One of those kids did.
Woo!
I am so sorry.